Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to unbox a game. I already know what it is, and you're wondering, what is that? That's my address and my name, and you know where I live. And I'm gonna cross that out because you wouldn't see my address. I actually literally wrote that down for that joke. Anyway, let's unbox it. Oh yeah, one. Right, then I can. Sorry about that. Are we back? Oh, wait. No, I'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back, and I got the whole bottom off. Let's see what we got while we're Wario Land, shake it. Let's see if the game's in there. Oh yeah, no, nice. Let's see. I remember that. Oh, it's crazy. God, I forgot how that looks. Anyway, yeah, it works. And my second only one-player game that I have, literally every other game except for Paper Mario, is is multiplayer. Anyway, I'm gonna test it. I'll be back. Okay, forgot Party 8. Looks pretty clean, by the way. Oh god, just got paid yesterday. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's reading something. Oh.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, nice. It loads. Let's see if it completely loads. Nope, I don't care. I'll just hold it by the wrist strap then. That'll work. No. Oh, that's great. Oh. Okay, let's see. Rock and roll. Rock and roll. Anyway, let's see. Yeah, it works. And last time, forgot that was supposed to be this way. Last time, it loaded my saves on Mario Party 8, and then I thought, wait, DON. It was there's like my name down. I already said that in the Paper Mario episode. Well, not Paper Mario episode. Stupid. But in the video where I got Paper Mario, it had my name on one of the save files, and then I thought, and then like me and my friends saw that in my old saves loaded on Mario Party 8, so that's what I thought. So yeah, probably this might be my old saves. And wow, that's a long time ago. A long time ago. Look at that timing. It's a long time ago. Okay. That's the 2 tests, and that's it for this video. Bye.